Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So guys, this is a requested video. Somebody requested for this video, so I'm going to show you guys how I made this pepper soup with agidi. Agidi is made from pap. It is a popular Nigerian meal, so it is made from pap. So I'm going to show you guys how I made this yummy assorted goat meat pepper soup with agidi. So stay tuned. So here are my ingredients. So I have here already cut and washed goat meat innards. I have cut it into biteable sizes. This one's kind of big. I'll cut it again. So I have here my goat meat stripe. I have the heart and also the liver. So I am only using the goat meat innards. You can use whatever you like. You can use chicken, you can use cow meat, you can use cow foot, but this is what I want. So I will also be using onion. I have cut and sliced it, and also Scotch bonnet pepper. You can skip the Scotch bonnet pepper if you don't like pepper. It is totally optional. I have my pepper soup spice. I have two variety of pepper soup spice here that I got from Nigeria. So as you can see, I wrote pepper soup spice 2, and this one is pepper soup spice 1. And I'll also be using Cameroon pepper. This is Cameroon pepper. I'm a Yoruba, so I love pepper so much. And also I'll be using Calabash nutmeg. The Igbos call it Ehuru. It has been blended. And also I'll be using thyme. This is optional, but I love thyme in my pepper soup. And also I'll be using salt for seasoning. Salt is a must. And also my seasoning cube. And for the agidi, I'll be using pap. This is my pap. I got it from Nigeria, so I'll be using it for the agidi.